Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Local swimming has been rocked by news of a national swimmer being flagged for an anti-doping rule violation. As Keon Rayner reports, the athlete was notified of the adverse analytical finding for a banned drug within the last 5 days.
TVJ Sports can report that an adult Jamaican swimmer has returned an adverse analytical finding for a banned drug on the World Anti-Doping List. It's understood that the adverse finding came from a doping sample taken by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO in competition at last month's Walter Rogers swim meet at the National Aquatic Centre in Kingston. TVJ Sports will not reveal the name or gender of the national swimmer or the person's club affiliation due to confidentiality under the results management process of WADA. It is unclear whether the athlete has already requested in writing to JADCO that the B sample be tested. The B sample is used to confirm or refute the initial adverse finding from the A sample under the WADA code. When contacted by TVJ Sports Monday night, President of the ASAJ, Lance Rochester, claimed he was unaware of any anti-doping rule violation while declining to comment. Details surrounding the specific substance involved have not been made public. TVJ sources indicate that the athlete is in the process of retaining a lawyer signaling an intent to find the findings before the independent anti-doping disciplinary panel. Now, if the B sample confirms the initial result of the A sample, the swimmer could face a provisional suspension pending a full hearing process. This is the second anti-doping matter to rock Jamaican swimming in recent years. In 2023, 16-year-old Mackenzie Headley was given a public reprimand as a protected athlete. This after returning 2 positive tests at the 2022 Carifta Swimming Championships in Barbados and then at the Caribbean Games in Guadeloupe. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.